Welcome to the 34th video in our weekly legal update series. In this video, we will be discussing important news events from 12th July to 17th July 2021. In first important news, the Supreme Court has said that an ex parte decree against a minor person without guardian's representation is a nullity. In the case of KP Natarajan versus Muthalammal, the Supreme Court has held that an ex parte decree against a minor who is not represented by a duly appointed guardian is a nullity. The court further said that the failure to appoint a guardian ipso facto will result in prejudice to the minor and it need not be specially established. In second important news, the Supreme Court has clarified that SEBI is empowered to regulate the winding up of mutual fund schemes for the protection of investors. In the case of Franklin Templeton Trustee Services Private Limited versus Amruta Garg, the Supreme Court has said that under Section 11 of the SEBI Act, SEBI is empowered to protect the interest of the investors in securities. The court further held that the power of SEBI under Section 11 extends to regulating and monitoring the functioning and decisions taken by mutual funds, the trustees, and the AMC. In third important news, the Supreme Court has said that right to summon documents is to be exercised during trial and not when the trial is completed. In the case of Mohammad Ghausuddin versus Syed Riazil Hussain, the Supreme Court has said that the right to summon documents, which is given under Section 91 of the CRPC, which empowers a court to issue summons to the person in whose possession or power a document or thing is believed to be, if such a document is found to be necessary or desirable for the purposes of trial. So the Supreme Court has clarified that the right to summon such documents is only available when the trial is in progress and not when the trial is completed. In fourth important news, the Supreme Court has said that the minimum age of 50 years for appointment of tribunal members is arbitrary and discriminatory, and it has struck down such a rule. In the case of Madras Bar Association versus Union of India, the Supreme Court has struck down the rule which said that there has to be a minimum age limit of 50 years for appointment under the Tribunal Reforms, Rationalization and Conditions of Service Ordinance 2021. The said rule has been said to be arbitrary and discriminatory. The Supreme Court, by a 2:1 majority, has held such a rule to be invalid. Further, the Supreme Court has also observed that this minimum age introduced by the ordinance violates the earlier direction which was given in the 2020 case of Madras Bar Association versus Union of India. In fifth important case, the Supreme Court has said that bail conditions to compensate victim cannot be imposed. In the case of Dharmesh versus State of Gujarat, the Supreme Court has said that a condition for payment of compensation to victims cannot be imposed at the stage of pay. The Supreme Court has further said that a compensation to the victim should be a methodology for redemption. To prevent unnecessary harassment, compensation has been provided where criminal proceedings has been started. Such a compensation cannot be determined at the stage of grant of pay. In sixth important news, Ministry of Home Affairs has directed all states and union territories to not register cases under Section 66A of the IT Act as it has been struck down by the Supreme Court in the Shreya Singhal case. Lastly, Civil Aviation Ministry has proposed new draft drone rules to regulate drone-related activities. Objections and suggestions can be submitted by the public till 5th August 2021. This brings us to the end of our legal news. If you like our content, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.